guys, now we will start our new series on human anatomy. Firstly, we will study about the osteology of the upper limb, and in my upcoming videos of the lower limb. Now we will talk about the clavicle. Clavicle is a long bone which is situated horizontal in our body. Firstly, I will draw a diagram of the clavicle. This is our clavicle. Now our first heading is terminology. What means by terminology? Terminology means clavicle is a Latin word. Clavicle is a Latin word, which means जिसका मतलब क्या है? Little key. Clavicle is a Latin word which means little key. हमने क्यों little key बोला इसको? हमने little key इसलिए बोला इसको, if we do abduction of the shoulder joint, our clavicle will rotate. If we do abduction of the shoulder joint, our clavicle will rotate. And what is the function of key? Rotation. This is so that's why it is called little key. Now our second heading, side determination. Clavicle is divided into lateral 1/3 part and medial 2/3 part. This is medial 2/3 part and lateral 1/3 part. Lateral end also called acromial end and medial end also called sternal end. Medial end also called sternal end. This is lateral 1/3 part and this is medial 2/3 part. How will determine the clavicle is right side and the clavicle is the लेफ्ट साइड? तो हमको क्लेविकल मेरा किस तरफ की है, राइट साइड ऑफ द बॉडी की है कि लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द बॉडी की है, मुझको ये पहचानने के लिए मुझको इसके पैरामीटर्स कुछ याद होने चाहिए. पहला पैरामीटर्स मेरा लैटरल एंड, दिस इज अवर लैटरल एंड एंड दिस इज अवर मीडियल एंड. दिस इज अवर मीडियल एंड दिस इज shaft. This is shaft. This is lateral end, this is medial end, this is shaft. Our lateral end always flat. मेरा lateral end हमेशा flat होगा. मुझको इससे क्या पता चला कि जो मेरा lateral end है वो flat होगा और lateral side होगा. lateral side मतलब बॉडी के बाहर की तरफ होगा. तो मतलब कि मुझे पहला पैरामीटर मिल गया कि ये मेरा लैटरल होगा, लैटरल एंड फ्लैट होगा. फ्लैट एंड मेरा बॉडी के बाहर के साइड होगा. मेरा जो दूसरा पैरामीटर है मीडियल एंड, नंबर 2 मीडियल एंड. मेरा मीडियल एंड कैसा होगा? मीडियल एंड मेरा क्वाड्रेंगुलर होगा. कैसा होगा? क्वाड्रेंगुलर. मीडियल एंड क्वाड्रेंगुलर मीन्स क्वाड्स मीन 4. मतलब कि जो मेरा मीडियल एंड है उसमें 4 सरफेसेस होंगी. 4 सरफेसेस मतलब कि मुझको जिस एंड पे 4 सरफेसेस मिलेंगी वो एंड मेरा मीडियल एंड होगा. जिस सरफेस भी 4 सरफेसेस मिलेंगी वो मेरा मीडियल एंड होगा. और इसमें जो थर्ड पैरामीटर मीडियल जो एंड होगा, मीडियल एंड का जो एंटीरियर बॉर्डर होगा ऑलवेज कॉन्वेक्स एंटीरियरली कॉन्वेक्स. मीडियल बॉर्डर, मीडियल एंड का जो मेरा एंटीरियर सरफेस होगा ऑलवेज कॉन्वेक्स होगा. एंड जो मेरा लेटरल एंड है, लेटरल एंड का जो एंटीरियर सरफेस होगा ऑलवेज कॉनकेव. तो मेरा प्लस फ्लैट, लेटरल एंड मेरा फ्लैट होगा प्लस कॉनकेव होगा. एंड मीडियल एंड मेरा क्वाड्रेंगुलर होगा प्लस कॉन्वेक्स होगा. कॉन्वेक्स एंटीरियरली, मेरा आगे की साइड हमेशा कॉन्वेक्स होगा. एंड थर्ड पार्ट है मेरा थर्ड पैरामीटर. इफ वी डू अ डायग्राम ऑफ द इंफीरियर सरफेस ऑफ द क्लेविकल, देन वी विल फाइंड, this is the diagram of the inferior surface of the clavicle, then we will find This is the inferior surface of the clavicle. Then we will find on the middle third part there is a groove. This groove is called subclavian groove. Subclavian groove. तो मेरे 3 पैरामीटर कौन से होगा इसमें? क्या होगा? सबक्लेवियन ग्रूव. सबक्लेवियन ग्रूव इंफीरियरली. सबक्लेवियन ग्रूव इंफीरियर होगा. तो मेरे 3 पैरामीटर्स कौन कौन से हुए? फिर एक बार बात करते हैं. नंबर 1 पैरामीटर हमने बात किया रिवाइज करवाने के लिए. अगर हम फर्स्ट बात करें, दिस इज अवर लैटरल एंड, तो पहला पैरामीटर मेरा लैटरल एंड कैसा होगा? नंबर 1 फ्लैट होगा. नंबर 2 एंटीरियरली कॉनकेव होगा. कॉनकेव. दिस इज अवर लैटरल एंड, एंटीरियरली इट कॉनकेव. दिस इज कॉनकेविटी. एंड नाउ अवर सेकेंड पैरामीटर मीडियल एंड. मीडियल एंड क्या होगा? क्वाड्रेंगुलर होगा. मीडियल एंड मेरा क्वाड्रेंगुलर होगा प्लस एंटीरियरली कॉन्वेक्स होगा. एंटीरियरली कॉन्वेक्स होगा. एंड आवर थर्ड पैरामीटर इज फॉर द साइड डिटर्मिनेशन द inferiorly subclavian groove. subclavian groove inferiorly होगा. subclavian groove inferiorly होगा on the inferior surface. There is on the inferior, I will draw a dotted line. This is our subclavian groove on the inferior side. This is our subclavian groove. Now we will talk about the peculiarities. Peculiarities, what means peculiarities? Peculiarity मतलब क्या होता है? Peculiarity का मतलब होता है स्पेशलिटी. स्पेशलिटी. मेरी क्लेविकल की स्पेशलिटी क्या है? मेरी क्लेविकल की स्पेशलिटी है नंबर 1, इट ऑलवेज फाउंड horizontal. It always located horizontal. Always located horizontal in our body. Clavicle is the only single bone which is always horizontal in our body. And our second peculiarity is clavicle has bone. Clavicle does not has medullary cavity. It does not has medullary cavity. It does not have medullary cavity. इसमें medullary cavity नहीं होगी. Clavicle always present horizontal in our body. These are the most common peculiarities on the clavicle. We will talk about the features. For features, I will draw a diagram of the clavicle. This is our clavicle. This is lateral end. This is medial end. We will talk about the features. Firstly, in the features we will talk about the lateral end, and second we will talk about the medial end. medial end. This is our lateral end. This is our medial end. Our lateral end is flat. अगर मेरा lateral end flat होगा तो अगर flat है तो मेरा इसके दो borders होंगे और दो surfaces होगी. अगर flat है तो this is our superior surface and this is our inferior surface. This is superior, this is inferior, and this is anterior. This is anterior concave border and this is posterior convex border. So lateral end has two surfaces. Number 1 superior surface, number 2 inferior surface. Lateral end has two borders. Number 1 anterior concave border. Number 2 posterior convex border. So lateral end of the clavicle has two surfaces and two borders, which first one is superior surface and the other one is inferior surface, and two borders. What borders? This is first border, anterior concave border. This is cavity. This is cave-like structures. That's why it is called anterior convex concave border, and this is vex. Vex means prominency. This is our convex border. So lateral end has two surfaces and two borders, and on the inferior surface of the lateral end, we will found there is a ridge. This ridge is called trapezoid ridge. This is trapezoid ridge, and there is also one structure. This structure is called conoid tubercle. This is our conoid tubercle, and on the inferior surface, middle third part, there is a groove. This is a groove. This groove is called subclavian groove. Why it is called subclavian? Because हमने इसको subclavian क्यों बोला? क्योंकि sub means inferior और clavian means clavicle. तो groove like structure which is present on the inferior surface of the clavicle. That's why it is called subclavian groove. This is all about the lateral end. This is the articular surface of the lateral end, and it articulates with the acromial process of scapula. That's why it is also called the lateral end and acromial end. Lateral end are also called acromial end. Why lateral end is called acromial end? Because lateral articular surface of the clavicle is articulate with the acromial process of scapula and form acromioclavicular joint, form AC joint. That's why it is called acromial end. And medial end. Why it is called medial? Because it is situated medially. That's why it is called medial. And medial end is also called sternal end. Medial end is also called sternal end. Why it is called sternal? Because medial articular surface is articulate with the sternum and form sternoclavicular joint. Form sternoclavicular joint. That's why it is called sternal end. Sternal end क्यों बोला? क्योंकि this is close to the sternum and form sternoclavicular joint. That's why it is called sternal end, and that's why it is called acromial end. Now we will talk about the medial end. We will talk about the medial end. Medial end, also called sternal end. I was talked about that. This is sternal end. Why it is called sternal end? Because medial articular surface articulate with the sternum and form sternoclavicular joint. That's why it is called sternal end. And our medial surface, medial end has quadrangular, which means quartz means 4. Our medial end has 4 surfaces. मेरे medial end में 4 surface होंगी. कौन कौन सी? Number 1, this is our superior surface. This is, if we do a diagram of the inferior surface, then we will find this is our inferior surface of the medial end. This is the inferior surface, superior, inferior. This is our anterior convex surface, anterior convex surface, and posterior concave surface. This is a cave like structure, means there is a cavity like, this is cavity, that's why it is called posterior concave. This is cave, posterior concave surface. Our medial end has 4 surface, and on the medial end की inferior surface में अगर हम देखेंगे मुझे एक रफ स्ट्रक्चर मिलेगा, रफ एरिया मिलेगा. This area is called rhomboid fossa. This area is called rhomboid fossa. This is our medial end. This is our lateral end. This is all about the osteology of the clavicle. And one last thing, our clavicle is divided into lateral 1/3 part and medial 2/3 part. Clavicle is divided into lateral 1/3 part and medial 2/3 part. This is our lateral end. This is our medial end. Medial end has 4 surfaces. Lateral end has 2 surfaces and 2 borders. This is all about the osteology of the clavicle part 1. Thank you.